Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this intro video using photos. So I'm just going to kind of adjust the picture like so. It depends if you want the intro to be super quick or not. Then I am going to size it down a little bit like this. Then I'm going to put it down and I'm going to add a keyframe. Oops. And then here, I'm going to add in another keyframe and I'm going to bring it, maybe, let's just undo this first. And then I'm going to add a keyframe here first, actually, like 2 keyframes here. Oops. And then in the first one, I'm going to add a keyframe. And I'm going to put it down here. And then here, I'm going to add another keyframe, then I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to add another keyframe, and at the end I'm going to add another keyframe and I'm going to zoom out. Just pinch it so you can't see it. Then in between the keyframes, you are going to go to graphs. So select the clip, go to graphs and select custom and edit and make it all like this in between the keyframes, and then one more here. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!